Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlada's Place. My name is Vlada and I'm here to share with you my simple lifestyle and my easy recipes. Today's recipe comes straight from Serbia. And to start, we're gonna need about 10 bell peppers. Make sure you pick the red ones. We're gonna clean them and roast them on 400 until the outer layer or outer skin starts separating from the meaty part. Once roasted, stack them in a dish like this one, cover them and let them sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. The next step is cleaning them. So we're gonna try to peel this outer layer and remove the seeds. If you have chickens, they would love these seeds, so don't throw them in the garbage. Now that we have this done, we're gonna split the pepper in about 3 or 4 strips like this, and then we're gonna set it aside to drain a little bit more. We're gonna let the peppers cool off and drain any extra juices, and then we're gonna make the dressing.
Okay, for the dressing, we're just gonna go with some olive oil. By the way, you need a little extra salt in here because somehow peppers will soak up a lot of salt, and perhaps because they're sweet themselves, so whatever amount of salt you put initially, you might decide to put a little bit more later on. So we're going to do a little bit of apple cider vinegar, not too much. And I'm going to add just a touch of our honey. All right. So this is basically all you need for the initial dressing. You can add a little bit of black pepper if you want, and you can add a little bit of fresh garlic. But I'm purposely just making it simple like this because tomorrow when we serve the salad, I will add a little bit of garlic. I will add some feta cheese and some fresh parsley. And also, as I said, you can add some pepper as well. Just mix it. Make sure that oil goes to each pepper. And then we're gonna let them sit in this dressing overnight. We're gonna let them cool off really good. And tomorrow when we serve them, we're gonna touch up on salt, on vinegar, and on parsley and any other things that we wanna add to this salad. But generally the salad is served like this with just maybe a touch of pepper, a little bit of fresh garlic, and for some, we would add parsley and feta cheese on top. So this is good for now. We're gonna put it back in a container and let it sit in the fridge overnight.
Container like this one will work great since all the peppers are immersed in olive oil and spices. And this is just one of the suggestions of how to serve it. They're delicious with a slice of toasted homemade sourdough and with a side of avocado. It's a perfect meal. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I absolutely love sharing simple recipes like this one with you. And if you are into simple and all natural living, please join our channel.